What is going on, YouTube? So today we are going to be working on my 2010 Camaro. Let me show you guys. We are going to be installing the LEDs, DRLs, because these are yellow and then my headlights are HIDs, so they really don't match and I don't like the way they look. A little something about my Camaro, it's a 2010 Camaro RS. Yes, it's a V6, but I mean, I don't really mind it being a V6. It still has the power. I do have it lowered on max speeding rods, coilovers, and as you can see, the front are slammed. I'm about 2 inches off the ground for the front, and the rear I am maxed out on it, which freaking sucks because I still have a little bit of tire gap, and I don't really like that. It does have adjustable dampening also all the way around, 24-way adjustable dampening. And I do have it at stiff front and halfway stiff in the back so that it doesn't squat when I do pulls on it. So 6-speed manual transmission too. So on my YouTube channel, you will be seeing a lot more of this car and my Acura TSX, which stands. It's over there, sitting pretty. I do have some future content for it coming up. I'm going to be cambering it out. I'm going double-digit camber. I just got the adjustable camber arms right here, so I will be throwing those in soon. And then I need to be putting in the front driver's side axle as well, because you know, stance boys, they tend to, Acura TSXs don't like to be slammed to the ground, so you will be going through front CV axles, control arms, upper control arms like nothing. But I mean, you've paid the price when you want to go static. So let's get to this video. So basically what we're going to be doing is taking off 1, 2, 3 bolts and then pulling this to the side so we could go ahead and access the bulb. It's pretty easy. Just take off the bulb, replace it, and it is going to be plug and play. I did get these on eBay for a good price. I think I paid like 20 bucks for them, and they're straight plug and play LEDs. So yeah, it's going to be a pretty easy install. So what you're going to be needing is a Torx 20, which is a T20, as you can see there. So you can take off these bolts, and I'm trying to do it the easy way. So let me just remove these. Just loosen them up so that I could just take them off with my hands. So once it, all right, so as you can see, I already removed all those 3 bolts. After you do that, you're able to pull this back, and then you can access the bulb, which you can see there. Just clip it off, twist it, and then unplug it. Let me show you guys. So clip it off, twist, and then here is the bulb, which is an ugly looking bulb. Alright, let me show you guys the new one. Let's get a comparison. From old to new, big difference. Look at that. Man. So these are gonna be awesome. So let's Let's put this back in. So it's push and twist right. Clip it in. All right, YouTube, so now that I already installed everything, I mean, it was basic, so I didn't need to show you guys the other side, what I did to one side. You just remove those 3 screws that are there. And yeah, so this is what it's looking like now with the LEDs on there, which it looks freaking dope as hell because I got LEDs inside of the car also. So I got HID headlights, LED driving, running lights, LED interior lights. Let me show you. LED interior light, and I also have LED license plate lights. So yeah, that was a very easy install. If you guys liked what you guys saw, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want me to show you guys next on this Camaro. Let me show you my LED. Show you guys the LED license plate lights also that I installed. I did install the blinking brake lights, but they were aftermarket and they were just glitching when I did get them, so I ended up having to take them off. But I mean, for the time being, she looks sexy. That's for sure. It did come with the black rally stripes, and I ended up taking them off only because I didn't like the way it looked. So what I will be doing in the future is wrapping the hood and wrapping the trunk black. I don't know if I should do a gloss black or a matte black, but that's soon to come. I will be debadging it also, and soon I will be installing a wicker bill as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of my Camaro. And then I will be doing work on the Acura TSX soon. So next video will be the Acura TSX. I will be installing the front driver's side axle, getting that knocked out the way, putting in transmission fluid because I did leak a lot. And then the camber kit for the rears, I'm going double-digit camber on it, so just wait on it. All right, YouTube, see you guys next time.